purpose of this video is to show you how to operate in a Zoom meeting. So at this point we've just joined the Zoom meeting. We're in class with our teacher and other students, and at this point our microphone is muted and our camera is not on. So I'm going to show you how to start your video. There's a little button down here in the bottom left part of your Zoom app that will say Start Video. Once you click Start Video, it'll turn your video on. Now everyone in the room can see you, and we recommend that at all times when you're in a Zoom meeting that you have your camera on so that the teacher can see you, we can react, we can do all sorts of things. To unmute yourself, there's another button here that says Unmute. Okay, we're going to click that button, and now we're unmuted. Now, if you can't easily get to that button, there's also a shortcut on your keyboard. It's Alt plus the A button. All you have to do is press Alt A, you'll be muted, and press Alt A again, and you'll be unmuted. Now, if you want to change your video background, you're going to go to this video button here, and there's a little arrow. You're going to click on that arrow. You have some options. You're going to click the one that says Choose Virtual Background, because you may want to have a little background that isn't, what's behind you. And let's just pick one here. As soon as you click on it, it will show on your screen. You just have to click the X here, and now we go back to the main screen, and the people can see the background that I've chosen. We want to keep this as appropriate as possible. I like to use some of the default pictures, but there's some pretty cool pictures out there that you can download and use. So that is how to change your settings when you're in a Zoom call.